Lean principles are foundational to modern agile methodologies, including Kanban and Scrum. Originating from Japanese manufacturing, Lean focuses on maximizing value while minimizing waste. This presentation delves into 5 key concepts: Kaizen, Kaikaku, Shuhari, Monozukuri Genba, and Poka Yoke. Each of these principles contributes uniquely to the efficiency and effectiveness of agile practices. By understanding these concepts, teams can enhance their workflows, improve quality, and foster continuous improvement. Kaizen, meaning continuous improvement, is a core Lean principle. It emphasizes small, incremental changes rather than large-scale transformations. In an agile context, Kaizen encourages teams to regularly reflect on their processes and identify areas for improvement. Daily stand-ups, retrospectives, and sprint reviews are practical applications of Kaizen in Scrum and Kanban. The goal is to create a culture where every team member is empowered to suggest and implement improvements, fostering a collaborative and proactive environment. While Kaizen focuses on incremental improvements, Kaikaku represents radical change. It involves significant shifts in processes, strategies, or technologies to achieve substantial improvements. In agile practices, Kaikaku might be necessary when incremental changes are insufficient to meet goals. For example, a team might adopt a new project management tool or overhaul their workflow to better align with agile principles. Kaikaku requires careful planning and strong leadership to manage the transition and ensure that the changes lead to the desired outcomes. Shuhari is a concept from martial arts that describes the stages of learning to mastery. Shu means to obey or protect, ha means to detach or digress, and ri means to leave or separate. In an agile context, Shuhari can guide teams through their journey of adopting and mastering agile practices. Initially, teams follow established practices, shu, then they begin to adapt and innovate, ha, and finally, they transcend traditional practices to create their own. Understanding Shuhari helps teams navigate their growth and development in agile methodologies. Monozukuri Genba translates to the place where value is created. It emphasizes the importance of craftsmanship and the environment in which work is done. In agile practices, this principle highlights the need for a well-organized and efficient workspace, whether physical or virtual. It also underscores the importance of skilled team members who take pride in their work. By fostering a culture of craftsmanship and maintaining a productive environment, teams can enhance their performance and deliver higher quality products. Poka Yoke, or mistake proofing, is a lean concept aimed at preventing errors before they occur. In agile practices, Poka Yoke can be applied through automated testing, continuous integration, and other quality assurance practices. The goal is to design processes and systems that minimize the risk of errors, ensuring that defects are caught early and do not reach the end user. By incorporating Poka Yoke into their workflows, agile teams can improve the reliability and quality of their deliverables. Daily stand-ups are a practical application of Kaizen in agile practices. These brief, focused meetings allow team members to share updates, identify obstacles, and suggest improvements. By regularly reflecting on their work and processes, teams can make small, incremental changes that lead to continuous improvement. The collaborative nature of stand-ups fosters a culture of openness and accountability, where every team member is encouraged to contribute to the team's success. Sprint planning sessions can be an opportunity for Kaikaku, or radical change, when necessary. If a team identifies significant issues or opportunities for improvement, they might decide to implement major changes to their workflow or strategy. This could involve adopting new tools, redefining roles, or restructuring the team. While Kaikaku requires careful planning and strong leadership, it can lead to substantial improvements in efficiency and effectiveness when incremental changes are not enough. Agile training programs can benefit from the Shuhari concept by guiding participants through the stages of learning. Initially, trainees follow established practices and frameworks, shu. As they gain experience, they begin to adapt and experiment with new approaches, ha. Finally, they reach a level of mastery where they can innovate and create their own methods. By structuring training programs around Shuhari, organizations can help their teams develop a deep understanding of agile principles and practices. Creating an effective team space is essential for applying Monozukuri Genba in agile practices. Whether it's a physical office or a virtual workspace, the environment should be organized, efficient, and conducive to collaboration. This includes having the right tools, technologies, and resources readily available. Additionally, fostering a culture of craftsmanship means encouraging team members to take pride in their work and continuously strive for excellence. By prioritizing the workspace and craftsmanship, teams can enhance their productivity and deliver higher quality results. Quality assurance practices and agile methodologies can benefit greatly from Poka Yoke principles. Automated testing, continuous integration, and peer reviews are all methods of mistake proofing that help catch errors early in the development process. By designing processes that minimize the risk of defects, teams can ensure higher reliability and quality in their deliverables. Poka Yoke encourages a proactive approach to quality, where potential issues are identified and addressed before they become problems. Retrospectives are a key practice in agile methodologies that embody the Kaizen principle of continuous improvement. At the end of each sprint, the team reflects on what went well, what didn't, and how they can improve. This regular reflection allows teams to make small, incremental changes that enhance their processes and performance over time. By fostering an open and honest environment during retrospectives, teams can identify and address issues early, leading to continuous improvement and greater overall success. Kaikaku can also be applied at an organizational level to drive significant change. When a company needs to pivot its strategy, adopt new technologies, or restructure its teams, Kaikaku principles can guide the process. This involves careful planning, clear communication, and strong leadership to manage the transition. While radical change can be challenging, it can also lead to substantial improvements in efficiency, effectiveness, and competitiveness. By embracing Kaikaku, organizations can adapt to changing market conditions and drive long-term success. The Shuhari concept can help organizations understand and navigate their journey towards agile maturity. Initially, teams may strictly follow established frameworks and practices, SHU. As they gain experience and confidence, they begin to adapt and innovate. Ha! Finally, they reach a level of mastery where they can create their own methods and practices. I. By recognizing these stages, organizations can provide the appropriate support and resources at each stage, helping teams to continuously grow and improve. Monozukuri Genba is closely aligned with lean practices, emphasizing the importance of the environment and craftsmanship in creating value. In agile methodologies, this means creating a workspace that supports efficient workflows and high-quality work. It also involves fostering a culture where team members are skilled, motivated, and take pride in their work. By integrating Monozukuri Genba principles, teams can enhance their performance, reduce waste, and deliver better products and services. Poka Yoke principles can be integrated into continuous improvement efforts to enhance quality and reliability. By designing processes that prevent errors and catch defects early, teams can reduce rework and improve overall efficiency. This might involve implementing automated testing, peer reviews, and other quality assurance practices. By continuously refining their processes and incorporating Poka Yoke principles, teams can achieve higher levels of quality and reliability in their deliverables. Customer feedback is a valuable source of insights for continuous improvement, aligning with the Kaizen principle. By regularly gathering and analyzing feedback, teams can identify areas for improvement and make small, incremental changes to enhance their products and services. This iterative approach ensures that the team is always focused on delivering value to the customer. By integrating customer feedback into their Kaizen practices, teams can create a culture of continuous improvement that drives long-term success. Kaikaku can drive innovation by encouraging teams to think beyond incremental improvements and consider radical changes. This might involve adopting new technologies, exploring new markets, or redefining business models. While Kaikaku requires careful planning and strong leadership, it can lead to breakthrough innovations that significantly enhance competitiveness and growth. By embracing Kaikaku, organizations can foster a culture of innovation and agility, enabling them to adapt to changing market conditions and seize new opportunities. The Shuhari concept can guide team development by providing a framework for growth and mastery. Initially, teams follow established practices and frameworks, SHU. As they gain experience, they begin to adapt and experiment with new approaches, HA. Finally, they reach a level of mastery where they can innovate and create their own methods. By supporting teams through these stages, organizations can help them develop the skills and confidence needed to excel in agile practices and deliver high-quality results. Effective team collaboration is essential for applying Monozukuri Genba principles in agile practices. This involves creating a workspace that supports communication, collaboration, and efficient workflows. Whether it's a physical office or a virtual environment, the space should be organized and equipped with the necessary tools and resources. Additionally, fostering a culture of craftsmanship means encouraging team members to take pride in their work and continuously strive for excellence. By prioritizing collaboration and craftsmanship, teams can enhance their performance and deliver higher quality results. Yoke principles can be applied to risk management in agile practices. By designing processes that prevent errors and catch defects early, teams can reduce the risk of project failures and ensure higher reliability. This might involve implementing automated testing, continuous integration, and other quality assurance practices. By proactively identifying and addressing potential risks, teams can improve their overall performance and deliver more reliable and high-quality products. Yoke encourages a proactive approach to risk management, where potential issues are identified and mitigated before they become problems. Kaizen principles can be applied to process optimization in agile practices. By regularly reflecting on their workflows and identifying areas for improvement, teams can make small, incremental changes that enhance efficiency and effectiveness. This might involve streamlining processes, eliminating waste, and adopting new tools or techniques. By continuously optimizing their processes, teams can improve their performance and deliver higher quality results. Kaizen encourages a culture of continuous improvement where every team member is empowered to contribute to the team's success. Kaikaku principles can be applied to strategic planning in agile practices. When an organization needs to make significant changes to its strategy, processes, or technologies, Kaikaku can guide the process. This involves careful planning, clear communication, and strong leadership to manage the transition. By embracing Kaikaku, organizations can drive substantial improvements in efficiency, effectiveness, and competitiveness. Strategic planning with Kaikaku principles ensures that the organization is well positioned to adapt to changing market conditions and achieve long-term success. The Shuhari concept emphasizes the importance of continuous learning and growth in agile practices. Initially, teams follow established practices and frameworks, SHU. As they gain experience, they begin to adapt and experiment with new approaches, HA. Finally, they reach a level of mastery where they can innovate and create their own methods, or I. By fostering a culture of continuous learning, organizations can help their teams develop the skills and confidence needed to excel in agile practices and deliver high-quality results. Monozukuri Genba emphasizes the importance of the environment and craftsmanship in creating value. In agile practices, this means creating a workspace that supports efficient workflows and high-quality work. It also involves fostering a culture where team members are skilled, motivated, and take pride in their work. By integrating Monozukuri Genba principles, teams can enhance their performance, reduce waste, and deliver better products and services. This focus on value creation ensures that the team is always aligned with the organization's goals and objectives. Yoke principles can be integrated into agile practices to enhance quality and reliability. By designing processes that prevent errors and catch defects early, teams can reduce rework and improve overall efficiency. This might involve implementing automated testing, peer reviews, and other quality assurance practices. By continuously refining their processes and incorporating Yoke principles, teams can achieve higher levels of quality and reliability in their deliverables. Yoke encourages a proactive approach to quality, where potential issues are identified and addressed before they become problems. Integrating lean principles such as Kaizen, Kaikaku, Shuhari, Monozukuri Genba, and Yoke into agile practices can significantly enhance team performance and product quality. By fostering a culture of continuous improvement, embracing radical change when necessary, guiding teams through stages of mastery, emphasizing craftsmanship and value creation, and preventing errors before they occur, organizations can achieve greater efficiency, effectiveness, and competitiveness. These principles provide a comprehensive framework for driving long term success in agile methodologies.